Hi there, Perfecto Castro here and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I'm excited to announce PERFTRAX, which is my answer to some of the most frequent requests and questions that I get in the comments from all you beautiful viewers. Namely, fun backing tracks with videos so you guys get to jam virtually with me, follow-up lessons to my music theory for guitarists series to help further establish the relationship between chords, arpeggios, and scales. And finally, my tips and advice on building your own guitar solos and improvising. PERFTRAX is all at once a video backing track for you to jam over, a visualization tool to help you work out the target notes within specific scales all over the guitar neck, and video insight into my approach to guitar solos and improvisation. And for the gearheads, I also showcase all the gear that I use on each track. The PERFTRAX jam video starts off with me playing one round of the backing track using the guitar and gear that I use to record the tune. After one round, the scene cuts to the suggested scale for the track laid out all over the guitar fretboard. Also on screen are the chord progressions for each section as well as the chord that is currently playing. You can think of the suggested scale as the bass musical playground. This scale usually covers all the target notes of all the chords used in the tune. This way you don't have to think of a different scale for each chord. The highlighted notes on the fretboard are all your target notes for the chord that is currently playing. And these target notes change along with the chord progression. This helps you visualize all the chord tones within the suggested scale, our musical playground. If a chord in the progression contains a note outside of the suggested scale, our musical playground is tweaked accordingly to accommodate it. So the name of the new scale is flashed on screen. However, don't let the complicated new name intimidate you. More often than not, the bulk of it is still the main suggested scale, but with one or two notes changed to fit the chord tones. You can also use the highlighted target notes to visualize arpeggio shapes for the underlying chord. Feel free to group them however you like to fit specific guitar techniques. 2 notes per string, pentatonic style, 1 note per string, sweep style, or everything on a single string so you can go at it tapping style. Of course, anything goes for all you intermediate and advanced players. Go to town and play whatever you like. The tail end of each PERFTRAX video will have my solo over the track. That way you can see and hear my approach. Now here are the different ways you can get PERFTRAX. You can purchase full PERFTRAX bundles on my website, perfectodecastro.com. Each bundle is priced at only $6.99 and includes the jam video in MP4 format, 1080p resolution, the jam track MP3, PDF sheet of the chord progression, scale diagrams, and highlighted target notes, and a video lesson element where I give tips and advice on how to play over the track, as well as an in-depth commentary on my solo. Now for the best deal, you can join Patreon. For only $15 a month, you'll get access to all current and future PERFTRAX bundles, plus all the digital downloads from my web store, as well as exclusive members-only perks. And finally, the free versions will be uploaded and set to public on my YouTube channel every month. And in some cases, these will also be used for the monthly Grupo Jams. The free version will still have the on-screen chords, scale diagrams, and highlighted target notes, but will not include the video lesson element and my commentary. And since these are free, I am counting on you guys to give these videos a lot of views. And please don't skip the ads. And for all you guys who prefer audio only, I will be making them available on Spotify as well. Okay, there you have it. The first batch of PERFTRAX is now available on my website, perfectodecastro.com. And every month thereafter, I will be adding 4 to 5 bundles at a time. Enjoy playing over these tracks and don't forget to tag me if you upload yourself jamming over them. As always, do all the good stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and ring that bell. And don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section. Now go grab your guitar and play something. You know the drill. Practice makes perfecto. Cheers, guys.